with all the talk of meta nowadays, this is as good a time as any to actually talk about my meta Ray-Bans. But not just the Ray-Bans, but my meta experience as a whole, to the Ray-Bans, to my upcoming meta displays. Let's get into it.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
Now, in the case, like I said, are the metas themselves. The feeling in here is really nice. This is a quality built case for these things. Now, in it, you have the Meta Ray-Bans. The glasses themselves have a camera on each side. 1, 2, and when you decide to take a picture or record with these cameras, a light does turn on so that those around you know you are taking video. Not everyone likes to be filmed in public, so at least they know to get out of the way if they don't want to be caught on camera. The arms are a little thick, at least thicker than regular sun glasses, but this really have all of the compute. The batteries are in here, the touch panels are in here, speakers are in here. Meta AI, whatever the computer that they use, is built into these little armbands. So there's a lot going on with these. And the fact that they got them as small as they did is actually pretty incredible. Of course, you see the name Ray-Ban, that's the brand. That's what they call them, the Ray-Ban Metas. If you remember Ray-Ban, they gained a lot of fame, at least in the pop culture world, from Men in Black, the original, because they wore Ray-Bans. But this is them, the original Ray-Ban Metas. Of course, these particular frames have the transitional lenses in them. You see them kind of getting dark in the sun here. They also have my prescription as well. So as far as protecting my eyes and allowing me to see better, these do that. They're also, like I said, the meta frame, so they have the AI built in. And I have used the AI on a few occasions there. You don't really know how handy these things come in until you have the occasion to use them. Not forcing yourself to use them, but you see a genuine situation where you can have the glasses look at whatever it might be, a different language, a poster, a picture, whatever, just something outside, and you ask, and it gives you the answer. It's almost magical when it works as seamless as it does. Now, of course, the frames are good for more than just the AI components of it. I've used them in vid calls to share what I'm looking at with the person I'm talking to. Came in real handy when I was trying to show them some new phones in the Samsung stores. It also has really good audio playback. So when I want to hear my tunes from Spotify or anything like that, as long as I have these on, I'm good to go. Really good sound coming from both speakers. You really can't go wrong with all of the different ways you can use these frames. Of course, you have easy pictures and video on the fly. The need for me to have my tripod with me has been completely nullified. As long as I have these, and there's something I need to take a picture of, video of, especially at height, it's ready to go. True, the video only lasts about 3 minutes, but you can just as easily, when it stops, start right up again and continue where you left off. Of course, once you take the video, it saves to the device you have it synced to and clear off the frame to continue taking more video and photo. For all I've done this summer, a lot of my vids were shot with these on. You could probably tell some of them I'm not particularly focused on the subject at hand because The issue with me is I'm often looking with my eyes at whatever it might be, and the camera isn't necessarily looking where my eyes are. So with that in mind, or the fact that I often don't keep that in mind, I often have to go into post and adjust the focus of what you're seeing so that you have the item up front and center. But aside from that little issue that is all my fault, these things work great, especially in a pinch when you're just out and about and something does catch your eye. Boom, you have these, you're good to go. Now, I did have a chance to see both the Meta 2s and the Meta display. The Meta 2s look very much like the original Meta Sun glasses, albeit in different colors. They had a very nice purple colorway. I was kicking myself at the fact that I didn't wait. But then again, waiting 2 years to make the purchase, I would have missed all of the good having the frames did for me during that time. But I can't justify buying the purple ones when in all truth they don't really offer much more than the originals. Yes, better battery life, that's always a plus. Better camera, wider field of view for your cameras, and probably better integration into the metaverse. But all of that said, what I do with my original frames suits me fine. So to upgrade to that particular or those particular pairs of frames just doesn't work for me. Though I do wish I could have had the purple one. Now the next one, the Meta displays, those are what everyone has been talking about. They are, as the name implies, a pair of Meta glasses will have a display in the right lens. Now how they did this black magic, I don't know, because for all intent and purpose, only the wearer can see what is on that display. Yes, I have seen people say if you turn up the brightness on the display, you can kind of see it from the outside. And I have seen people put cameras behind the lens, some actually pretty good cameras as well, to let people see what it looks like wearing them. But unless you see it for yourself, nothing on YouTube does those frames justice. As it stood, the day they were announced, hell, as soon as I heard you could, I went online and I made my appointment. All right, at Sunglass Hut, Meta Ray-Bans display with the band. Cal, I'm here. They work. You should come get a pair. Take a picture. And those frames are amazing. True, when I use them, I did have an issue with the gesture controls. I could not swipe left for some reason. It just didn't always work for me. Every other motion worked just fine. The go back, the activate, everything worked as it should. And it was almost, like I said, magical. This new tech is amazing. And I know as things go on, it's only going to get so much better. With that said, my name is Angie, the Neon X, and very excited about what Meta and probably other manufacturers as well are doing in this new wearable space. This is what I'm into.